channel. I want to do like a vlog today just to show you guys a few things around the house. We're getting ready for back to school. I want to show you a garden update. I just want to update you. I just want to spend the day with you, so I hope you'll join me. But I just got home from Costco, and before I put all of this away, I wanted to share a little haul with you. This is like the pantry restock for kids going back to school and lunch stuff. And now this isn't like the most healthiest haul you ever seen, but mind you, I have a house full of teenagers, and I also have his kids, their kids, her kids, all the kids, every day at my house. So I have that's just it. So first off, boys love the muffin. They can afford to eat the calories. I cannot. I always buy cheese from Costco like this, and then we just shred it. I like this the best. This is new, the Fruit Thief, but we had to open these in the car and try them because they were new and they're really good. So it's a more healthier snack. My daughter loves those. She loves fruit leather. Pop-Tarts, Cheez-Its, Cheetos. They were only $5 for that big bag, so I thought that was good. I take this to work and I eat this for like 2 weeks, and it's really good. It's just Korean barbecue jerky type stuff. I picked this up, the Snack Club Ranch Crunch Mix. I mean, sounds delicious. We got fruit snacks. We got Rice Krispie treats. We got a loaf of French bread, but that was from my Walmart order. I told you that I like to shred this cheese up and eat it, but the boys and their friends eat quesadillas like they're going out of style, and so this just seems to be a better fit for them because they don't like to grate cheese. And hamburger, egg, laundry soap, Panera broccoli and cheddar because it's gonna be fall soon. I'm wishing in fall. Parmesan cheese. My boys go through this like it's going out of style as well. Chocolate milk. So this is just one, but we bought several. These are dangerous, extremely dangerous. I should not buy them. We bought a boxes of peaches. You can see this over here, but this was from my Walmart order. Garbage bags. What else? Oh, if you have not tried this from Costco, you should, because it is delicious. It's the organic chicken Alfredo with spinach. It is so good. The kids love it. I got some rolls, sandwiches for lunches, dinner for the broccoli and cheddar soup, Ziploc baggies, and bread, and a basket for my new black cabinet. We also went to Target. We got socks for Lincoln, socks for me, and sports bra for the kid, for my daughter. And I think that's it. So now I gotta put all this away. It's never fun putting groceries away. Okay, I want to give you guys a little garden update. She's looking absolutely beautiful. Very low maintenance this year. I have been not very good gardener, but I wanted to just show with, I got some unruly tomatoes, which they'd probably be doing better if I did something better to them, but they're not. My onions are doing absolutely amazing. They're huge. I planted a pepper plant. There's one. And then this one, oh, they're finally, these have been on here for months and they're starting to turn. It's probably because, let's see, let's give it a little air there. These were marigolds that my friend gave me that she started in her greenhouse. And then this is my amazing bed of floret flower seeds. I will say I'm a little disappointed. Not that they're not beautiful, because they're absolutely gorgeous. The colors are just like none other. Look how beautiful that little yellow one is. But look, if you can see, they're not very big. Like the heads are not very big. So this is the floret ones, and then this is just a packet of seeds I just threw in here. But look at how much bigger the heads are on these, and like thicker. So I don't know what that means, but like I said, the colors are just, you cannot beat it. Look at this one. Look at this one. Absolutely gorgeous. And this one, it looks like orange sherbet. It's so pretty. Anyway, my yarrow is a little unruly. I probably should cut it. I don't know. And then over here, I have some cosmos. They didn't really do very good this year. Like I don't have very many flowers on them. And then my sunflowers. This is some bachelor's buttons. So every Sunday, it's Sunday, I come out here. Look at how pretty the petals are on that one. And cut me a vase of flowers for the week. Look at this little tiny one. So cute. Anyway, then I have my strawberries, which are doing okay, but I have a little squirrel that likes to come and eat them. I don't come out here as often as I should and pick them, but we got lots more this year than we did last year. And these plants are finally springing back. They were very sad, but now they're finally coming back. And then some, I don't know, Rebecca, I think that's what I could be wrong. This was just something my friend gave me. And then don't mind my rose bushes because they need deadheaded, but my hedge of hydrangeas is doing beautifully. I haven't been out here a lot, so maybe this wasn't a good day to show you, because I need to cut back those. I need to cut back the lavender. I really don't love these. I'm not even sure what they are. I think they're catmint. I just don't love them. And then my little Shasta daisies over here, obviously I need to deadhead those as well. All right, don't mind the dead grass, but the most exciting thing I wanted to share with you guys is, can you see over there? Can you see that there is no more garbage? I think I showed this in a recent vlog, but my back patio for the last 4 years has been filled with construction stuff, just a bunch of stuff. And my husband and I spent last weekend, we cleaned all of that out. He built this shed, so we had more room for like our lawn stuff. And then the best part, let me show you. Okay, I don't want to show you like too much, but meaning I don't really want to show you my license plate and my address, but this garage, we lived here 4 years and we've never been able to see the floor in here. I'm not telling you that it's aesthetically pleasing, but every bin is organized and everything has a spot, and my car fits in the garage. I can literally park in my car in the garage. I don't know that I have very rarely in my married life been able to park in the garage. So this is a big deal. We are very excited about it. Let me just go around the other side. I mean, I can just walk straight out and get in my car. Isn't that amazing? There's still some things, like, I'm not saying it's perfect, but this needs to get cleaned off. We just ran out of time, and then Aaron had to go back to work. So we will get to this, don't you worry. But this is the patio I just showed you guys. It's all cleaned off. Like, our goal is to, I think I've told you guys this a million times on here, but we want to enclose this and make this like a mud room, and get rid of this big ugly door. But I think our plans are changing. We might not be here as long as we anticipated, so I'm not saying anything. Nothing in plan, nothing in stone. We still have kids to get through high school, but I don't know if that project's ever going to come to fruition, but I wish it did, because it's like something I'm very excited about. Maybe one of my like favorite things about this whole thing is my fridge in the garage is actually clean. I cleaned it all out. There's our stuff. And the freezer is somewhat cleaned. I didn't get to finish that, and then I have like all my sports mom stuff right by the car. I don't know. I just feel like I'm on a whole new level of life over here now. Not having to dig through things, not having to not be able to find what I'm looking for. And then all of my Christmas bins fit up there perfectly. Isn't that so exciting? And this is Christmas stuff too up here. I'm gonna go through all of that during Christmas, because I don't think I got anything out of that last year, so some of that needs to go. So I'm just so excited. So many fun things are happening over here. Also, this might not look like much, and the kids just got done mowing the lawn, so we need to put the lawnmower away. But we've always been a one household garbage can, and I don't know why we waited so long, but now we are a family of 2 garbage cans, and it's life-changing. It literally is life-changing. So this all needs to go to the dump, but we hired a guy to come and take away all the garbage, this whole thing, all of this, and then like right here was completely full of garbage, and he came, and then we cut down a couple, like trimmed some trees, and he took it all away. And I literally felt like a weight had been lifted off of me. I felt like I lost 20 pounds. It was amazing. Anyway, these are the little things in life, and I hope that we don't forget to like embrace them and celebrate them and be grateful for the little things, because all of these are little things, but they make me so genuinely joyful. Now that I'm standing here, I'm realizing we did paint all of the fence last year, and we just did it. This side has to be fixed, and we just haven't done it. So that's going to be our next project. We have a few other projects to do as well, but this is a marathon, not a sprint. This house has been, and I just am thoroughly like embracing. I'm not gonna lie to you, this garage and the patio has been a point of contention in my life and in my marriage and in the kids' lives. Like, it was just so much stuff, and I don't do well with stuff. My husband and I are like polar opposites. Everything was to me it looked like a complete disaster, but if you needed something, he could go in the garage and he would find it, and it was like organized chaos for him. I don't do well like that, and he's working more out of town, and so he's not here enough. So all of this stuff became my problem, and I didn't like it. So we're both happy. We are both very happy with this, and yeah, I should show you the shed. It's just a stupid shed of like a tin. It's not like the super industrial shed. It serves its purpose for the lawnmower and some wood that we didn't want to get wet. So it serves its purpose for now, and I can't wait till like next summer all of this will be done and we won't have to like worry about it, and we can just do other projects. So anyway, all of that to say, thank you guys for joining me on this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Just a little glimpse at what's going on over here. And we're like, school starts this week and I could not be more excited. Also, that means football season is here, which we love. We love football season. I have a cheerleader and 2 football players on the high school varsity, and then I have 11-year-old football players. So we're busy, but we love it, and it's literally the best time of the year. It's fall. It's my favorite. So I'm not a pumpkin spice latte kind of gal. I buy one a year and that is it. I haven't had it yet. It's got to cool down a little bit. I usually get one of those to like go to a football game when it's cold, but we are going to be bringing all the pumpkin stuff out because I am a pumpkin lover. Love it. So anyway, hope you guys are doing well. I hope you are finding joy in the small things because it's really important. And thank you for being here. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.